Stop chasing sexy business ideas. Yeah, stop doing that. Because the truth is, the businesses making people billionaires aren't exciting at all. No Lambos, no fancy apps, no viral startup stories. They're boring, like painfully boring. And yet, someone is getting insanely rich from them, quietly. Today, I'm breaking down 10 boring business ideas that are secretly printing money. Not theory, not motivation, real businesses, real cash. And trust me, number 7 is so boring most people ignore it, which is exactly why it works. All right, let's get into it. Number 1, waste management. Yeah, trash. Nobody dreams of garbage, but companies that collect, recycle, and manage waste are worth billions. Why? Because trash never stops, ever. Recession? Still trash. Pandemic? Still trash. Number 2, commercial cleaning services. Office buildings, hospitals, factories. This business is boring, repetitive, and insanely scalable. One contract turns into 10. 10 turns into 100. Most owners don't even clean themselves. They just manage teams. Number 3, payroll and accounting services. No one brags about accounting, but every business, small or big, needs payroll, needs compliance, needs tax help. And once a client trusts you, they almost never leave. Number 4, industrial parts manufacturing. Bolts, screws, plastic components. Boring? Yes. Replaceable? Nope. These companies supply giants, and giants don't like changing suppliers. Number 5, storage and warehousing. Self-storage units are everywhere for a reason. People always need space. Businesses always need inventory storage. Low maintenance, predictable income. Almost boring perfection. Number 6, insurance brokerage. Not insurance companies, brokers. They sell policies, collect commissions, and build recurring income. No product creation, no inventory, just systems. Number 7, logistics and freight forwarding. Moving things from point A to point B. That's it. But global trade runs on logistics, and margins add up fast when volume is high. Most people quit because it's not exciting. That's the advantage. Number 8, B2B software for boring tasks. Scheduling, compliance, inventory tracking. Not fun, but businesses pay for boring solutions. Number 9, equipment leasing, construction machines, medical equipment, industrial tools. You buy once, lease forever. Predictable cash flow beats excitement every time. Number 10, education and certification platforms, compliance training, safety training, corporate education. Companies are legally required to train employees. That's recurring demand. So here's the real lesson. Boring businesses win because they solve unsexy problems repeatedly. While everyone is chasing the next viral idea, boring builders are quietly building empires. If you want wealth, stop asking, is this exciting? Start asking, is this necessary? That's where the money is.